I want to give out a warm welcome. It is July almost, and I'm looking for ways that I can help you make more money in your business. So, the biggest question people have come to me when I've created courses since 2015 about how to run Facebook ads, how to run YouTube ads, how to do it for local, how to make money online is how to find affiliate offers with Facebook ads, pair them up, the matching, the winning offer, and then running a targeted campaign to actually result in profit. So I've done this many times before. We ran one campaign for 7 days or so, and we made about $2,000 profit. And I was running a Facebook ad straight to a JVZoo affiliate offer. I've done this. I also done this with YouTube as well, right? So I've tested this, but I mostly just run my own products, and I sell partner products, and I run products for them with ads to funnels. I don't run a whole lot of affiliate products from ads. So I came across this yesterday, and I'm going to go ahead and buy it and learn from it as well. So I can maybe teach you guys some of this stuff. But if you want to buy the program, Manny Hanif, I see his course, and I saw my friend purchase it, and I'm like, shit, what is this about? So I'm going to go ahead and purchase it live with you, show you the course, and I will have the link so you guys can purchase this as well. So basically, how to make money with affiliate offers from Facebook ads, right? So this is one of the biggest questions I've been getting for a long time. I'm going to purchase it with the wrong email address. But my email address is support@rhinowebconsulting.com for our company, just so you guys know. If you do need to send a support ticket, you can just reply to any of our emails. That's our support link. You got some watermelon juice. I'm out here in Bali. So I'm excited to see. The membership area looked pretty sweet. We're going to dive into it a little bit live. Let's see what the OTO is. One-time offer, high-quality retargeting videos.
Hey guys, it's Manny Hanifi again.
High-quality retargeting videos and Facebook hacks. I'm going to do this really quick, so let's get into the membership area.
Hey, it's
Resell rights to the funnel if you want to sell this.
Manny here again. I firstly want to congratulate you on making the right decision. But before you go ahead and implement the system,
coaching offer. Okay, create your account. Let's go ahead and create my account. They're using ClickFunnels here, which you guys know I moved from ClickFunnels over to Kajabi, right? Kajabi is much better. ClickFunnels has a terrible membership area. Unfortunately, don't need to save this. So here's the Affiliate Clicks Academy program, Facebook group. Affiliate Clicks Academy videos, getting started types of offers. So what do we have here? We have a pretty thought out course, 14 modules basically. And nothing really else. So this is the main course here, videos 1 through 14. Getting started, types of offers, step-by-step videos, avoiding getting banned on Facebook ads, what products to sell, Warrior Forum or Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo. You know, this is the stuff I recommend and I've taught myself in the course. Tools you need, Facebook account, autoresponder, link to ClickFunnels. He does have his affiliate link in there, so it's interesting. If you guys need an affiliate link, sign up with me. Compliance, terms of service, privacy policy. Yeah, when you're running ads, you guys have to have these certain things in place. Specifically with Facebook ads, you need to have these things. So just compliance types of ads that are run, selecting the offer. So this is very newbie friendly. If you've never made money with Facebook ads to selling to affiliate offers, this is going to be the thing you're going to need. This will walk you through step by step. It looks like about 2 hours of video training or so, step-by-step videos. And this guy definitely knows what he's talking about. If I were to create this exact course, honestly, it would look a lot the same. It would look the same. Landing page, conversion ads. Yeah, so um, if you're looking to make some money fast and you don't have your own product to sell, Facebook ads is very cheap. You can set $5 a day budgets. Um, you can do this with YouTube as well, but I prefer if you're running really small budgets, Facebook ads is a little bit cleaner as far as getting data back in a small budget. If you're running larger budgets, YouTube ads I can scale up to 25,000 in a day, every day, like with like it's like that. So if you're running just a $5 a day budgets, Facebook ads is good. Just talking about lead ads, video ads, different types of ads that you can run. So this is your pretty basic course on how to run affiliate offers. So you're going to want to watch video 2. It explains the different types of offers.
Hi guys, welcome.
And tools you need. So if you are a newbie, you've never done this before, this is the course to pick up. I just want to make this video because I saw my friend pick this up the other day. And I wanted to see what was in the course. And there's this upgrades. Overall, pretty good course. I would say I would put more information in how to find and promote winning offers here. He has a video on this and how to click.
Hi guys, welcome to video 14. And in this
so
video,
this is one of the offers. These are one of the videos you're really going to want to check out. This is really important. Using gravity scores, things like that. This is the stuff that I learned back in, let's say, 2009, I think. So when I was out of work trying to find a way to make money online, I looked to figure out what kind of offers, affiliate offers. I didn't have my own product. This is where I started making money with ClickBank. And I started making money with specific affiliate offers that converted really highly. So this is a really, really cheap program you can get for just like $14. Pick it up today and learn how to run your first affiliate ad program, ad to affiliate program, and then make 50%, even 100% upfront, depending on the offers. So when I started doing this, I was making maybe $200 to $500 per month. It wasn't a whole lot, but it did show me that like making money online is real, is legitimate, and people do it every day. So this is a good place to start. Maybe get excited about making your first couple sales. I know with the Facebook group, when we're running, I always get excited for people when they get their first sale through doing something like this. So if you've never made a sale online, run a Facebook ad to an affiliate offer that converts with the right audience, and then you'll be like, wow, this actually works. Like I spent $5 today, I got a $37 sale. So yeah, this does work. I've done it before. I made thousands in a day because I've had a higher budget. So I don't recommend doing that. I recommend $5 a day budgets. If you're brand new, you've never done before, get used to doing it, and then build on success. So you're building building a house. You don't put the foundation down first, and then you build it up higher. So hopefully that helps. You can pick this up for just $14. And well, I gotta get back to my YouTube ad campaigns. If you guys don't already know, we are changing things up here in 2020. We're running upwards of $100,000 in ad spend every single month to really high quality funnels and programs in different niches, whether it's weight loss or fitness or make money online, things like that, training programs. And we actually do this every day. So we are going to be creating some new programs pretty soon on how to run YouTube ads, how to run YouTube ads for local, how to run Facebook ads, all this kind of stuff. But right now, specifically focusing on our new program, YouTube Ads Formula 2.0, 3.0, brand new version with hours and hours of new content, which I'm about to record right now. So I'm going to get back to it. See you guys later.